MasterWarehouse has sent me this box filled with electrical components. Let's open it and see what's inside. I don't think I'm ever going to have to buy another lead or power box again in my life. Before we jump in and have a look at everything that's here, you probably would have noticed I've done a lot of videos with MasterWarehouse at the moment. They've sent me paint guns, mini chainsaws, extension ladders, I've got a drill. They've sent me a lot of tools. And as we can see, on top of tools, they do stock a lot more stuff as well. This is cool. I've actually never seen one of these before. So same outside, I've got my lead and I've got a tool connected together. And you're working and you're worried that there might be a bit of rain spitting down. Even though these leads are made to be used outside on construction sites, in your backyard, you don't want them to get wet. And that's what this box is for. We can see the capsule opens up, but with our leads together, we can sit them in this capsule. We can lock it up. So that's secure. That will protect your leads. If there is a little bit of rain, you're not going to use this if it's flooding or if it's torrential rain. You don't want to work outside with electrical components. We can see at either end, there's a rubber seal and the lead actually pushes that seal open to get through so that the rubber seal really does grip around the lead, making that a no point of entry. So we do have our heavy duty extension leads. And on top of that, we do have some household extension leads as well. So these are made for in the house. They're not made for your backyard using power tools, but just running leads for TVs and general appliances around the house. It's cool. We've got another extension lead here for the house. And as you can see, our male end, which gets plugged into the wall, it's got another female end on the end of it there too. So you can run your extension lead and also pick up another appliance and plug it in there. On that, you can see we have a range of power adapters, which convert one socket to two sockets. You can never jump them and have two power adapters onto one. We do have a big range of power adapters. But you see we've got 4 wall plugs here, and this is one that has a wall plug and the USB ports. We've got a couple more which have the 4 plugs with your little switches, so you can choose which one is exerting power. This is a mother load. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wall plugs, and we've got 4 USB ports. This is unreal. You don't see a lot of these. And as you can see, they've just shown off the range I have right now. We've got so many different wall plugs. Every single one of these are different. We've got so many different options that we want for our wall plugs. Every single one of these electrical appliances that we have, they are all from United Cable. And MasterWarehouse has just started stocking United Cable's range. So if you do want to save yourself some money and get yourself some power boards or extension leads, make sure you jump onto MasterWarehouse and have a look at the United Cable range, where you can get all this stuff for a good price.